Hi friends, it's a nice sunny bright day today. Today I'm going to drop Angel to school by walk. So me and Nadia we're going. It's a nice day. Usually we go by car, but when the weather is good, we always take the opportunity to take a walk. So Angel with her scooter, she's having a good ride and she's having a fun as well. So today what we're going to do is I'm going to show a daily routine. Today is my day off and I'm trying to give a little bit rest for Nadia and Mama at home. So my baby is going to have rest. She has sent me a picture of something that she wants to eat. I haven't cooked that food any time before, but only seeing the picture, I have to figure it out how to cook that. So let's see the bundle of joy for today. What's going to be like. Guys, I got so scared looking at this. I really thought like it's a snake over here, but it's not. It's a piece of wood, a branch that's been cut and just kept over there. Guys, you know what this plant is? In Konkani, I'm going to take a hashkuli. Hashkuli te lagle har pada hai. This khubasai a lot. People who don't know, you touch these leaves and you start itching you. There's a small trench like this that you need to walk through.
Angel?
Yes,
What's the school name?
St. Mary's School, and it's the best. For reach from my school. I see you later.
So guys, we just dropped Angel to school. We did not make a shoot at school because you know how it is, school protocols. But here we go. Now we are going to Lidl. The reason why I'm going walking, well, I did not tell you that it just took me 20 minutes to walk to her school. And I was not really even walking fast. So yeah, it's very close by. Where else if I would drive with the traffic, it takes about 15 minutes. Sometimes 10, 15, yeah. We're going to Lidl because yesterday Nadia sent me a picture of a dish, and to buy those stuff, whatever I require to make that, I'm taking her. We are walking. It says 25 minutes to walk. Feels very good when you're walking. So let's go and do some shopping. So friends, we reached here to Lidl now, and this is spin a wheel for Lidl. Let's see ice kit price lagal though. So that's a spin a wheel. Let's see what I got today. Wish me a luck.
What's that?
Free what? Limbo?
Red chilies.
So Nadia sent me this picture yesterday. It's chorizo with baby potatoes and onions. So I've just got the baby potatoes, and this is my task for today. So this is my price. Chilies. Yeah, chili galpa. These are the potatoes that are required. This is baby potatoes. Okay, Italian chorizo. I think so. This is the only one what we have here. Yeah, this is good. Hey friends, honestly, today I did a really big walk. I think so I should have come with a car, drop Angel, go to Lidl and go. This is the bag. Been man at work today. So, what can I say? It's my wife's day off, and men never take rest. So guys, now we're almost going to reach home now. I'm going to meet you all later.
So friends, today I've received my parcel from Amazon. See? Do you want to open?
Open.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Open kar baze?
Open.
Open? So this parcel I've ordered today. Actually I ordered it yesterday. And I did not know that my husband is going to surprise me today, saying that he's going to clean the house for me because I'm a bit not feeling well today. But yes, this is for him. I never knew that you would do something for me today. But yes, I'll open this and I'll show you what it is. So here it is. This is the mop. I always wanted to buy this to clean, but it's very easy to mop the wooden floor. But yes, today this is for you, so you can clean it and enjoy it.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, going to pick up Angel from school now. You guys must be wondering why am I going by car and not going walking. This morning I went walking. Guess what? The weather. The weather is so much dull now. I had no choice. Hello again. Here we're back and just picked up Angel from school, and Angel has a very good news to share with you. So Angel, what's the news you want to share?
So I got a good surprise to show you, and look what I got. I got a certificate because I am very good at maths.
I'm very proud of Angel, what she does, and I've got a treat for her at home. Okay, here's one more quick thing I want to tell you. When I went to school, I went to St. Mary's. Nadia, she also went to St. Mary's. And now Angel, she's also in St. Mary's. Isn't that very nice?
Task 1: Cleaning the garden.
So apparently the mission cutting of lawn is on. The weather turned out to be good. And now I'm doing it. So stay tuned. Let's clean the garden.
Task to giving bath to Kisha.
Hey, so now it's time to give bath for Kisha. Kisha, it's gonna have bath. Now, paya pare?
What?
Wait, friend got nose fight. Nose fight. Chal ya. Mama, I'm ready. Ready, Jalami. Kisha, hello. Hello, but.
Hello.
Task 3: Cleaning the bathroom.
So guys, now it's the mission bathroom cleaning. Gloves.
Task 4: Sweeping the floor.
House cleaning. New mop. In my house, I've got more mops than the hairbrush. I don't use hairbrush. I don't got that many hairs on my head. But Nadia, she might even not having that many brushes, that many mops we got in the house. This is what she ordered today.
Task 5: Cooking food.
So friends, here I am now. My final task. I'm going to prepare that food what Nadia had shown me. Those roast potatoes. Remember this morning we went out. These potatoes, I just washed them. I kept them soaked. Just had shower. Everyone had shower. Now this is finally what I'm going to cook now. So just trying to make this recipe of my own version by just looking the picture. Let's see how it turns out. Okay, and that I'm going to do mac and cheese for Angel. So I'm going to prepare the same thing again. I'm going to make mac and cheese for Angel. So I'm going to cook both the food at the same time now. So friends, this is my final dish. Ready? This is what Nadia had asked me to do. That I've done. I've done pasta also for Angel. I'll give you a feedback about this, what Nadia says. If she likes it, I'll share a recipe of this. Do share it on the comment if you want to have a recipe of this. Very nice roasted potatoes with chorizo. Before I end my video, friends, I want to tell you something about. I want to thank all the women, and I respect all the women in this world, the way how they handle their houses. Because today is a day, like, and I've been helping for Nadia a lot of times. She knows that very well. I'm always there for her, helping. But today I just felt like, okay, I need to step in her shoes, just because, okay, I said I will see how it looks like. And I said, okay, I'll take all the other initiatives that you do every single day in your day-to-day life. So from the morning, you guys have seen, like, okay, I have done only probably like 40% of things what Nadia does, not to 100% of cleaning and all that. Is not. I really can't do that. But what she does it, I really respect for her, and thank you for that. And thanks for my mom, because we were 3 siblings, me and 2 sisters. I can imagine that those days how she has raised us up. It's really cherishing for me at this point of time. Really, Mama is not here, but Mama, you are hearing me. I really love you. And my baby, why are you standing? Please come here. Yeah? Thank you. Thank you for everything that you do, all this
Thank
effort.
you.
Yeah? And I hope you like what I've cooked for you. If it's not good, well, if it's not good, I try to do. It looks the same, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah? This is how you wanted. I just saw the picture, I made it. So guys, I'm going to end up my vlog with this. I hope we're going to come with something new for y'all. Until then, stay safe. God bless you all. And my final word to say, adios.